Hi, how would you like to have a plant that has beautiful glossy leaves and flowers that last a long time? Spathiphyllum, or commonly called the peace lily, is the plant to bring home. My name is Chris Stoddard, and I am a DARE Extension Master Gardener volunteer. The peace lily is an evergreen perennial that is native to the tropical Central America and Southeast Asia. It is commonly used in our area as a houseplant and for indoor landscaping. It is another of the plants that was included in the NASA Clean Air Study, which helps remove formaldehyde, benzene, and carbon monoxide from tainted indoor air. It will grow best in bright filtered light, but will also tolerate heavy shade. Avoid direct sunlight because it will burn the leaves. Normal container potting soil can be used when potting this plant. It likes moist but not soggy soil. You should allow the soil to dry between watering, but don't let the leaves wilt. This may cause the leaves to yellow prematurely. Use water that is at room temperature and has been allowed to sit so that the chlorine can evaporate. The peace lily likes average room conditions. Avoid cold and drafts because it may slow growth of the plant. Indoor peace lilies need little fertilizer. Apply a balanced houseplant fertilizer at 1/4 to 1/2 strength during its active growing season, which is basically spring and early summer. Over-fertilizing can produce burning of the leaf tips and roots. The peace lily, depending on the variety, can grow up to 6 feet. They do like to be pot bound. If necessary, divide and pot once a year in early spring. This will help keep the plant healthy and refresh the soil. The white spoon-shaped flowers appear freely during the spring and summer. You may get a rush of flowers in early spring or summer, and then it will flower intermittently throughout the year. These flowers will eventually turn all green. When this happens, cut them off. It may take a while for it to rebloom again until it feels comfortable in its home. There are quite a variety of peace lilies that vary in size, leaf color, and flowering color and habits. The giant big leaf peace lilies that you see in offices and malls is usually called sensation. These are the plants that can grow over 6 feet in height. There are a few variegated peace lilies such as Domino and Picasso. And of course, there's always the newer varieties with the colored blooms in red, such as Fireglow and other colors. Peace lily is relatively free of pests and diseases. Mealybugs are probably the most common insect indoors. Because of the wide leaves, cleaning the leaves regularly with a damp cloth to remove dust will help its appearance and remove some pests which tend to gather under the bottom of the leaves. Brown leaf tips could be due to low humidity, over-fertilization, and/or hard water. Placing the plant over a tray filled with pebbles and water may increase the humidity around the plant. Hold back on fertilizing it during the winter. Use rainwater or let the water sit out to come to room temperature and allow the chlorine to evaporate. The leaves of the peace lily are moderately poisonous if eaten in large quantities. Keep it away from pets and small children. If you have any questions about this plant or any gardening questions, call Ask a Master Gardener at 252-473-4290 or email us at greenlineobx@gmail.com. Thank you for listening.